Very nice, very nice.
Don't die, okay?
Okay. Fuck.
You are too big.
In last episode, we explored the mountainous landscape of Serra da Estrela. We learned how the Estrela dogs are more dangerous than wolves, how Serra da Estrela had glaciers with hundreds of meters of thickness, how dead birds can still serve a beautiful purpose, how the Portuguese lived hundreds of years ago, how a baker woman fought and killed a group of Spanish men with just a baker's peel, how our friend built an insect hotel to fight harmful caterpillars, and how cabrito in your tummy is the path to fulfillment and happiness.
Saúde, carinha e amor.
Come over here, Amalie. We're so high up that the alpaca had to...
Come into use.
Yeah. We are in 2 kilometers altitude. We're at the top of Serra da Estrela.
We are actually in the 1,993 meters altitude.
What about now?
Okay, you reached it.
Can you see the birds? Oh my god, they're big. It looks like
It looks like airplanes coming.
Inspire drones.
So where we are now is the most famous spot for skiing in Portugal.
I would love to just try to ski in Portugal, just to say
I've tried.
we've done it. During winter, this is all covered in snow, and because the snow here is so heavy, because of some meteorological phenomenon,
Contains a lot of water.
it's like when it snows, they close the roads for 3 days, if not more, and then you're just stuck here, potentially.
Yes, and that happens every single year because people are risking it because they want to go and get one of those good snow days.
Yeah.
But then they can't drive down because it's simply deadly to
But
drive
Amalie,
down.
if you're staying at the hotel we're staying at today, you don't mind.
Yeah, I agree.
Cliffhanger.
We came here to the hotel yesterday afternoon, and it is such a relaxing atmosphere here. So we were like, let's just unwind.
Take a night off and just unwind, and that's what we did. We had a beautiful dinner with the owner of this hotel here. Fantastic restaurant.
I asked the owner if this is a fine dining restaurant, and she was like, no, it's just good food. But it was definitely another fine dining experience.
It was definitely a gourmet experience.
Yeah, it was so delicious, and it was nice to sit and talk to her, and that makes us much more engaged about the entire hotel. We know much more about it now.
The hotel here is called Casa das Peñas Douradas, and it's actually a ski hotel. Like this is where you can go here also during winter. You can do cross country skiing, and during summer you can hike.
Which is a really good starting point for hikes, because you're already in a high altitude, so you're already at all the viewpoints.
We are 1,500 meters above sea level, so I've been getting used to the air up here.
You're trying to.
It's like whew, it's thin up here.
You do really feel like you are in a resort, a ski winter resort.
I feel like Dumb Dumber when they upgrade to the presidential suite.
We'll take it!
Because we have the suite here at the hotel.
Today's house tour is gonna start here in the bed, because the bed in this hotel room is the highlight. The duvets, the pillows, and the mattress is just insane. We haven't had a better night's sleep on this tour than tonight, which is insane because all beds has been amazing. I want to know where they got their pillows. It's like a one flow apartment, this suite. So you have like the bedroom, then you walk into the wardrobe. Everything is made in tree from the region. Super nice and very cozy winter atmosphere. Here's the living room. And it also has like a homey feeling because they have designed it with all these books. And also they have like a 70s vibe in here with old lamps and a date bed and 70s. The bedroom is actually one of my favorite things on this hotel room. It has such a slick design. Everything is customized. And even though the hotel was made in 2006, it looks like it's a design hotel from 2020. Here you have a part of the bathroom where you have the toilet and the shower, and you can look out at the mountains while you are standing under the rain shower. In this suite there is a room dedicated to everybody who is like me, so it should be called Amalie room. It's a room only for the bathtub, okay? This is only for you to take a hot tub and relax and unwind. And of course I already had two bathtubs here, so
I think you can easily imagine sitting here during winter and it's minus 15 degrees outside, and you've just been out cross-country skiing on a slightly more modern version of this, and then you have some whiskey, you light the fireplace and have some more whiskey. Or you can go to the spa. Where is it?
we found it, Joen. Should we just take half an hour to sleep here? This is so cool.
Yeah.
I love it.
Amalie. Kom nu. It's always Instagram. She's so slow.
Oh my god. Now you talk.
Amalie, all the way up. And then
No.
intelligence test.
Oh, it's just muscles, okay?
Pure Viking power. And you know what you do during winter when it snows?
Out in the snow.
You go out, you toss yourself in the snow, and then down in the heated pool. I've actually never tried it, even though I've been on skiing vacations 20 times.
I've never tried it in Denmark?
No, because
You are not a
Denmark,
Viking.
in
You
Denmark.
are
I don't
not
have a
Viking.
heated pool in Denmark.
You are not a Viking.
Amalie.
Yes, we're just here enjoying the beautiful view to Serra da Estrela. We have like the mountain tops out here and it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
But you know what? This morning when we had breakfast, we were talking about how amazing the view is because it was amazing. But we didn't get it, we were too consumed with the breakfast.
Yeah.
But what I really like about this
When
is
the
that it
clouds-
changed so fast. Like you can see in the distance, like even when you have a blue sky, that it's gonna be completely foggy.
Yeah.
Looks like we woke up in another country.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hola. Good dad. actually visiting Burel factory, which is a wool factory, and this area is very famous for wool, and the reason why we are visiting this one is because it's actually one of the best, but also because it's owned by the hotel that we are staying at. So we are gonna discover the entire process of how this wool are made and why it is unique.
It's old machinery, like 1940 and even earlier than that.
So here, instead of just buying new machines, they educate the young generation to use the old machines, and that by itself is unique. Shepherds have lived in the mountain of Serra da Estrela since the 12th century. And with low temperatures and snow in the high altitudes, Burel wool was created in order to keep the mountain people warm. At the Burel factory, the goal is to maintain this old heritage and respect the nature and the people of the mountains by bringing a little piece of history to our doorstep. And that's whether in the form of clothing, furniture, accessories, or architectural pieces. I think they should bring this technology to Denmark, because this is something that all Danes would need. The traditions of handcrafting are maintained, and the workers are even using machines from the 19th century to create the thread used for the Burel products. We realize that it's not only the products that are beautiful, but also the entire process of creating them. These machines are more reliable than the modern equivalent and ensures a high quality while telling this charismatic story. We were amazed about discovering this little gem and realized how Burel is actually telling the story of an Asian Portugal. So that was our visit at the Burel factory, and it was absolutely an amazing experience. What is even more amazing is that Isabel, the owner of the factory and the hotels, she actually recommended us this place to have lunch.
They have just served me, and it is me because they know how much I love alliera. This is a sorta d'alliera. It's the best invention of all time. I'm not going home, Amalie. And guys, the last 4 days of epic exploration was made possible by Sagres Vacations, as you already know. And everything from staying at all these amazing hotels to exploring unique areas that tourists usually wouldn't find themselves is because of the expertise.
So the reason why we love to work with Sagres Vacations is because everything is possible with them. They make customized travels that are suitable for you and you only. And if that seems interesting for you, we have listed all the information necessary in the button. And if you mention us while booking, you will get 10% on your entire travel just by mentioning Stay Classy Vlog.
And Joel, yet again it's coming to an end.
Yes.
We
One more trip.
We're so sad to see you go again.
Oh,
But we got another trip coming up next month.
yes. So it will be another epic trip.
Yeah.
So
In a very epic region.
yes, the epic region.
Are we gonna say it? Are we gonna say where we're going?
No, not
It
yet.
rhymes. It
Not
rhymes.
yet.
It rhymes with Tesho. Thank you so much again, as always, Joel. It's
Oh,
been
thank
a
you very much.
pleasure.
I'm glad you like it.
It's been a pleasure.
And for you guys, obrigada por ver o vídeo. Até logo.
Até Lego.
Até Lego, guys. Now it's rooster time.
Don't